Uh, I welcome our VC sir, Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor.
Validity, a 1 week faculty development program on sustainability engineering. Uh, Program is being sponsored by AICT under Atal activities and under the leadership guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor. We are conducting this activity in Civil Engineering Department. The second one is both the activities were organized by Professor Praveen Kumar. And in this activity, he has invited around 10 to 15 professors from IITs and senior persons from industry. So I welcome all of them. I also welcome all the participants. Once again, I welcome our Chancellor and Chief Guest of this validity program.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Mathu. Thank you, Mathu sir. Just for the sake of completion, I present a brief report on the faculty development program, and then we'll invite any one or two participants to hear their feedback. Just presenting a brief report. Uh,
आप
Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir,
आप आवाज कर लो मैंने
Uh,
बंद
this 5 day faculty development program started with the theme session presented by Professor Sandeep Chaudhary ji from IIT Indore on 5th July morning, first session,
is the
8:30.
word for the
So he started the session. Then second session was from our Mentors Institute in TechCube, that is Jadavpur University, seasoned Professor Saroj Mandalji, who had been the head of the department there, civil engineering, in 2012 to 14, a very senior professor in Jadavpur University, and known researcher in the country in the area of the materials. So he spoke on the Sorry, sir. Sorry, I my mic was muted. So thank you for reminding. So I was presenting that first session was given by Professor Sandeep Chaudhary ji from IIT Indore. Second session was from Professor Saroj Mandal ji from Jadavpur University, who spoke on geopolymer concrete. This concrete doesn't use cement. Our thrust is to minimize the use of cement because 1 ton of cement production produces zero point 0.8 tons of carbon dioxide. So development is inevitable. Development activities requires materials and concrete materials, but we have to see the sustainability also. We cannot go on emitting carbon dioxide. We cannot go on using limestone reserves or other reserves of the nature for our present use. So we have to sustain that for the future use also. So second session was this, and third session was presented by Dr. Jitendra Yadav from NIT Hamirpur, sir. So he, I will say that he is so sincere that he put off his fan so that he doesn't get any noise, any disturbance in presentation. So he is a geotechnical engineer, so he presented waste tires used in the as embankment material of road construction. So second day also was devoted to mainly geotechnical engineering applications, road making. We had a distinguished professor from IIT Madras, Professor Viragwan, about 41 years serving at IIT Madras. He is in so many national bodies and directly advising Ministry of Highways, Nitin Gadkariji's Mantralay. So he spared time to he spoke at length on sustainable payment systems. Then we had from IIT Patna, Arvind Jhaji. He spoke marathonly for 2 hours, and each of the sessions was meant for 1.5 hour lecture and about half an hour discussion. Sir. So, and uh, then the third session. So, in the third session, we had another field engineer from the consulting engineers group working in Jodhpur presently. He presented case studies of waste plastics in road construction, state highway in Madhya Pradesh, Gunda, and other roads. So, and then he presented a case study of comparison of performance of BT bituminous roads as well as the roads which had waste plastics used in Pune city. In both were constructed in 2017. So, 4 year performance data was quoted by him. So then we came to another day where uh, Professor Ashok Tiwari from Ultratech Cement, Senior Vice President from Lucknow, spoke on quality assurance in concrete works. Professor Das, Vibhuti Bhushan Das, started the session day from NIT Suratkal. He spoke on at length about the modern instruments, scanning electron microscope, the TEM, which are there in NIT as well. So he spoke on microstructure studies and use of nanosilica for sustainable cementitious materials. The then this yesterday we had all the three sessions from the industry. It started with say Suralkar, Sunny Suralkar ji for construction chemicals overview. Then of course there's Dr. L.R. Manjunatha from JSW Cement. As everybody knows, JSW Steel and JSW Cement has done a tremendous growth in the recent years and is the leader in the fine aggregates, that is replacement of river sand by slag sand. Sir, only 3 days ago, I was talking with a fellow in my apartment building that we are organizing a slag sand session on this. That friend of mine took hold of me and said, "This is a business opportunity in Kota. We have a steel plant in Kota where the slag is dumped, is not used." I explained him the ways, and he is working on setting up a project for utilization and for business purposes for making alternate sand. We had, sir, in last 3-4 years in Kota city, we saw the price of rising from 30 rupees to 65 or 70 rupees per cubic feet for the reverse sand of Banas sand. So we are working for this. Today we had a session for manufactured sand from the Kota city industrial person in this light also. So today morning we had a wonderful session from the chief scientist of the Structural Engineering Research Center, Chennai, CSIR lab, sir. So this was a wonderful research area shared by him, Dr. Bharat Kumar. In between, sir, we had a wonderful session, or rather very valuable session on sustainable happiness from Professor Devdas Menon. Professor Devdas Menon has been awarded by IIT Madras as the best teacher. He has served, he has superannuated, he had again been offered chair professorship, PC Varghese chair professorship at Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Madras, and he is working there. Under his guidance, IIT Madras has started 2 courses on spirituality and heavy demand on that, and he shared for that. Sir, I look forward for enrollment in those courses by RTU students as MOOC courses and a sensitization of all the faculty participants. That was the reason why I selected him, that a civil engineer professor, or rather a concrete technologist professor, can be a spiritualist also. So with this, I end my report on the FDP and request any 2 participants to air their feedback for the benefit of our Dean sir and the Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor. Any 2 participants. may hear their feedback live.
கேக்குதா? Hello?
Yes, yes, we are able to hear
This
you.
is Kanagaraj. This is Kanagaraj from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Yes, yes.
Are you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Please.
I post feedback at 12:21, sir. 1 minute delay, sir. Please consider my request, sir.
That can be done. That can be done.
Sir, and
And-
also a section is very effective and practical, sir. Very useful, sir.
Yes, yes. That.
Hello, sir. So I working as assistant professor in KSR College, Tiruchirappalli, sir. I only option say please give more technical, sir. There is only a theory. Theories you cannot understand. We give more practical data which is used for field area, sir. Sir, and the section is very effective, sir. Very thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We will keep this in mind. Any other participant, kindly?
Yes, sir. This is Dr. Sairam Kumar from RVRNJC College, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much for accepting our request to the FTP, sir. And the FTP was very successful in covering different aspects of civil engineering and subjects regarding to the sustainability. And hello, sir.
Post answer 12:21, please.
Sir, is it audible, sir?
Yes. You can unmute again now. You can unmute yourself again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I unmuted, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir. And I think from June 17th, I am following your mail, sir, and it is very useful FTP. And the patience you showed in the FTP is very impressive, sir. Actually, I also conducted an FTP, but I used all my human resources in the college. But from the day when I am observing, Praveen sir has mailing the details, monitoring the systems, uploading the YouTube videos, and we are getting YouTube video mails and WhatsApp chats, what may be. And the resource persons you are selected also are excellent from the field as well as from IITs and NITs. And one of the best FTP I heard, sir, and an excellent FTP from Devadas Menon, sir, is very enlightening to our engineers, sir. Apart from civil engineering, he said regarding to the human values, and so I'm very impressed with that, sir. And I'm very thankful in participating your FTP, and I appreciate and I am very thankful to Dr. Praveen sir and the university administration and the vice chancellor sir for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sir, for the good words and kind words.
If I may also.
Yes. Sanchit Gupta, please kindly.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Sanchit. I'm a research scholar from IIT Indore. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Praveen Kumar for allowing us to attend this FTP. This has been a very enriching session for me, particularly. I'm sure this is a feeling shared among all the participants. As a researcher, sir, we get a lot of data from the papers, and we are unable to justify like what we should go towards on the field. The resource person you called for the FTP had a rich experience of the industry, which provided us a very insightful idea about what to do with our research and how to bring it to the field. So that was really helpful for me, and I'm sure it will be really helpful for other participants for their future works also. So thank you, sir, for this wonderful sessions.
Thank you, Sanchit ji. And with this, I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to bless us with his kind words. May I request Professor?
हेलो
Yes, sir.
सर गुड आफ्टरनून सर मैं भी कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ
हाँ, बोलिए पूनिया जी, बताइए.
गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू कांग्रेचुलेट Rajasthan Technical University and especially Professor Dr. Praveen sir who sincerely organized the FDP. Last year also attend the first FDP, and this time again FDP is very informative for all the scholars and all the faculty staffs. Thank you, sir. Thank you again, sir.
Thank you, Manoj Punia, sir. Uh, may I request now our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to bless us with his words kindly. Professor Adhigupta, sir.
Thank you, Praveen ji. Thank you very much for inviting me. Although it's a civil department program, so I'm sure that I don't have much knowledge about your area, but the idea is wonderful, and I am really thankful to you that you are conducting so many good activities in the department, and I'm sure it is very useful to the participants, and you have invited wonderful speakers. It looks that the complete India is representing here from south, even 21 states.
Yes, sir.
That is really commendable. And experts from IITs and NITs, from Amirpur, from Sandeep, he is very good friend of mine. And Sandeep, industries, and you have invited experts from industries also. So I know very well that Praveen, you are whenever you are conducting in such way only, and contents are really wonderful. And you are talking about cement. So just I was thinking that our basically 90% population is still in villages, and a lot of work is going on. So if there is 1% basically refinement in the area, it means it will save a lot of energy and lot of material. So this area is really burning area. What I feel and what I consider. So I really want to congratulate you for conducting such wonderful activity in the department. RTU is doing very good nowadays under the leadership of your senior professors and including you. And I am sure that this basically faculty development program will be very much useful. And I am sure such programs give lot of basically topics or areas for further research and further topics to the MTech students even. So I'm sure that this will be a wonderful activity in future also. And thank you very much for inviting me. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Sir, we are grateful for your kind words, and definitely the FDP is igniting the young minds to have further research areas. And I may share that Professor Vidagwan, sir, in his session, identified and rather motivated, say this is an area where you may do research, this is another area where you may do research. So definitely the participants will get benefit from these sessions, and we will keep in mind your advice, sir, and the feedback from the first participant we will keep in mind. And I extend my heartfelt thanks to all participants, because unless the participants take interest, there is no use of the conduction of any workshop or any FDP. So most of the time 120 plus participants were there. So the credit goes to participants and their interest in the FDP sessions. In each session, they ask questions, and many a times we have to cut short. Okay, give us a mail, we will try to answer. And many of them requested PPTs and PDFs of the speakers, which they are getting in due course of time as the speakers are sharing. So I thank my all resource persons here and the university, the Dean sir, who has been always encouraging, Professor Anil Mathurji has always been encouraging. Under your stewardship, Professor Adi Gupta sir, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, your support to us, your patronship to us motivates us to do further work and do better work in future. With these words, Mathu sir, can I propose closure of this session? Mathu sir? As customary, we may have a group photo if माननीय कुलपति जी और डीन सर अपना अगर वीडियो ऑन कर सकें और पार्टिसिपेंट्स अपना वीडियो ऑन कर सकें तो एक हम वर्चुअल ग्रुप फोटो ले सकें. Participants are requested to put on their videos as well as the dignitaries, Professor Anil Mathur sir, our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, if they may put on their videos kindly sir. I may change the layout so that any of you may also take this video photo. Just a minute. I think it comes in a grid way. So other participants also who wish to put on their videos may kindly do so for our memories of a good FDP. So we can see all participants. Please allow me to take a snap and you, among yourself also you may take a snap. With this, I propose closure of this FDP.